Welcome to Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. Today my topic is Circle Part 2. Circle Part 1 already uploaded. Click the I button. This part will give a help to class 8, 9 and 10th student. In the last video I have given the introduction about the cyclic quadrilateral. Today I am going to prove the opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilaterals are always 180 degree. How to prove? Now you check here. Suppose these 4 points are joined together, A, B, C, D. I will prove this one with the help of the angle in a same segment. Now suppose I am going to join this AC and this BD. So if AB is a same segment, I will write angle ACB is equal to angle ADB, equation 1. And then BC is a same segment. Please be careful here in this line. BC is a same segment. I'm writing this is X. You don't have any confusion, this is X. BC is the same segment, this is Y and this is Y. So we will write here BAC is equal to BDC. Now you add these two equations, angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to angle ADB plus angle BDC. Now angle ACB plus angle BAC, this is ADB plus BDC, angle ADC, this X and Y. Why I have given here fill in the blanks? I am going to add one angle which is missing here in the triangle CA, which is part, that is angle ABC. Here also angle ABC. Now what is the angle sum property? 180 degree. And here angle ADC, it means angle D of the quadrilateral. ABC, angle B of the quadrilateral. Opposite angle sum is 180 degree. Very easy. This way you will prove this theorem. Similarly A and C will give also 180 degree. Why? Because 360 altogether, 180 is here, so remaining is 180 degree. This is your Nathan sir, Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. You will get this kind of information here only. No need to see the book. The book is knowledge. You have to use the application, how to use a same segment. Again, if you will ask me, I am going to prove that also, that is which is given in the book, in your syllabus. Suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. This is your center. Okay, this is your center. Suppose you are joining this one. So this angle is double of this. Suppose inclined some part, this angle is double of this. So this angle if X, what about this is 2X. And what about this? This is the reflex of 2X. So this will be 360 minus 2X. So what about this angle? This angle is half of reflex of 2X. I am writing, so you will not confuse. 1 by 2, half of reflex, that is 360 minus 2X. So it will be 180 minus X. So this is 180 minus X. This is what? And 180 minus X plus X. Suppose this is A, B, C, D. This is 180 degree. This is Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. Very easy part. Now if you study about this thing, I am going to teach you about first of all tangent, and then I will speak about the alternate segment. Then I will go with the in next video related property of tangent, because the alternate segment is going to use here in the tangent. First of all, tangent already I have given the information. I have to discuss some point here. What points? Suppose this is your tangent. You can say this is your theorem also, you can say this is your information also. Okay, this is the previous knowledge, class 8 and 9. This is your revision from the last part. From one point P, how many tangent are possible? 2 tangent, and the length of the tangent is always equal, PA and PB, and the point of the contact is 90 degree from the radius, 90 degree. These are your short point. Suppose this is O. We have to prove what here? We have to prove angle P and angle O is 180 degree. Very simple. First part is very simple. How? See, this is O, A, P, B is four-sided figure. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So what about angle P plus angle O? 360 degree minus 90 plus 90, 180 degree. This is 180 degree. This is your first point. Okay, now you can go with how to prove PA and PB. How to prove PA and PB? See, triangle OAP and OPB. Okay, now OA is equal to OB. How? Radius. Okay, angle B is equal to angle A, 90 degree. OP and OP common. So you can say here by right hypotenuse side, these two triangle POB congruent to POA. So by CPCT, AP equal to BP. Two tangents are equal. So these are your information, and then you can say this angle and this angle by CPCT is equal. So this line is the angle bisector. So this way these are the information about tangent. A very quick response about tangent. So my request, so you revise like this. You do not read the theorem, because sometimes theorem gives you the problem heading. So first of all you go with this kind of information, and then you read the theorem, then it will be very okay for you. Now going for the next part, very important part, that is a same segment. First of all, segment. Already I have defined. I am going to tell you use of alternate segment. Suppose this line, okay, this line is one chord, not second, AB, okay, and this is one tangent. Now you check here. I am telling you this angle is equal to here in the other segment. Why it is other segment or alternate? This is my minor, this is my major. This is first, this is second. So this is alternate, एक दूसरे का. So if we will join, first of all you listen the concept. If we will join AB anywhere on the circumference, suppose we have joined here. This angle is equal to this. This angle is equal to this. If this is x, this is also x. But how to prove? That is the basic part of this theorem. Without proving, you cannot say this is equal to this. So I am going to prove for my student. So how this alternate angle is always equal. Okay, so already I have drawn these three lines A, B, C. Suppose this is my point D. Okay, this is my point D, and then if this is D, and then this is my point E. Now I am going to joining these point BE, CD, Okay, BE and CD. Fine. And now what happened here? This is suppose this angle is X, this angle is X, this is A and this is B. Okay, X plus A and X plus B. Suppose this is center joining AD. Joining AD, this is A. Okay, joining AD, this is. So now we can say angle A plus angle X equal to 90 degree. This is center. Radius contact, point of contact of, suppose this is your tangent TP. Point of contact is 90 degree. Now you check. Now you check. Already I have written X and X, but I will write here Y. So we will, in the last we will prove this X is equal to Y. That is, in the beginning I have written Y here. A plus X equal to 90 degree. Again, this is semicircle ADC, because this is passing through. We assume this one. So angle B plus angle Y equal to 90 degree. 1 and 2. So we can say angle A plus angle X is equal to angle B plus angle Y. 90 degree and 90 degree. Now you check. BD is same segment. BD is same segment. Angle BAD is equal to angle BCD is equal to. Okay, so BAD is A and BCD is B. Okay, so it means what? Angle A and angle B is equal. So suppose this is 3. So from 3 we can say B and A is eliminated because A is equal to B. Angle X is equal to angle Y. Proof. This is your Nitin sir, Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. Angle X is equal to angle Y. So by the same way we can prove. So this is the way we will prove alternate segment always equal angle provide. Okay, fine. I have written some question here related to the last video. So 3 questions I am going to solve today, and then in the last video I am going to solve so many, next video I am going to solve so many questions. First question is very simple, but how to formulate, that is very important. Now you check. First question is, I am drawing a figure first of all. So you will understand from the figure only. PRT, and this is, and then we will provide this line. This is okay, joining here, and then this is a center. Okay, so this O, S, and here R. Fine, and then we will join. This is, we have to find angle RTS. Angle RTS is equal to what? First of all, if you see in the question, it is given this is 42 degree. Very simple. If this is 42 degree, join RS. If RS subtend 42 degree at the center, RS subtend half of the center. So we can say, if this is suppose PO, any name we can give, suppose Q. Okay. So now angle RQT is equal to half of angle ROS. Half of angle 42, this is 21. Reason you will write here, angle subtended at the center is double angle subtended on a circumference by the same segment. Now QRP 90 degree semicircle. So what about this angle? This is also 90 degree. Very simple. This implies triangle QRT. Angle T equal to 180 minus, this is 21, this is 90, minus 90 plus 21, that is 69 degree. This is Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. A very simple way to solve the question by using the previous method. I focus today on the same segment, not anyhow. See, when you see that how teacher is doing the question, you will get a confidence. Do not believe in solution, believe in the explanation. Now this fourth one. A fourth one is also very simple question, but fourth one I always believe कि if you know the concept, then you are going to solve this question. Question number 2, sorry, not fourth one. Very logical question. How to join the center? This is your center. Yeah, tilt. I am using the different color A, B. This is given 70 degree. This is A, B, C, D, E. If this is 70, this is what? 70 degree. Quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral. My dear, this is 110. So opposite angles are always, you can say angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Supplementary in cyclic quadrilateral. So angle B equal to 180 minus, this is 110, 70 degree. Okay. Now the second point. Calculate BAC and OAC if OBA is equal to 45. OBA, this is O. So join here. And join this chord. Sometime the center fix here, that is a wrong answer. If this is 70, what about this angle? 140. Why I have chosen this question? Because I just wish to give you all the revision here. Now angle AOC twice of angle CBA, that is 140 degree. Now OA equal to OC is equal to x degree. Why? Radius. So x plus 140, this is 180, x equal to 20, and x equal to 20, this is BAC, not OAC. OAC, this is your first angle, angle OAC, over. Then we have to find if this is 45 from figure. OBA, again OA equal to OB, so this implies angle OBA equal to angle OAB equal to 45. So this is your 45. So you have to find BAC, angle BAC. This is your 20. So 45 plus 20. This is the Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. By using the previous knowledge, you are able to solve the question. Now the third question, third and the last question for the today. Please subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Okay. Next video I am going to solve some numericals about the board questions. These days I am become too lazy, but today, right now this is 12 o'clock night, so surely I am going to make more and more video. A very simple question, a board question, maybe 2017 ICSC, and it is very good. It was given in class 9th, CBSE also. A very good question according to the property. Suppose this is a tangent, okay, this is your, okay, now first of all, this is tangent, this is center, this is A, this is B, this is C. Very simple. If this is, and this value is given 65, this is suppose ABC D, angle ADC equal to 65, angle OAB equal to 90 degree, point of contact of radius to tangent. This is radius to tangent. So this implies angle C equal to what? Angle C is equal to, in triangle, 180 minus 90 plus 65, and you can say directly this is 25 degree. So missing part is 25. Suppose this is your X. X is equal to 25. What about Y? What about Y? This angle. What about Y? This angle. You can say how? Subtended at circumference, double at the center. Subtended at circumference, double at the center. This is 50 degree. This is 50 degree. So angle Y, this Y is equal to 50 degree. And what about this angle Z? This angle is 90 plus 50 plus 40. Z is equal to 40 degree. A very simple question. Very simple question. No need to solve. Now, so till then, subscribe my channel. Take care. Revise the circle. Bye bye.